Ki paiba nong senong jang senong bercernot. 8 pau ke jing sungkumen. Bakilayo ke surok babha balasiang reben baha. Da kedau bilat ha ke jing cengai ke bashi kilometer tam. Belapan sena da ketenat CSR jang company Star Cement. Ia kene ke surok yai kali lapri paiba tawahe senong ke bercernot. Uba Stanley Masar ha ke jing dan lang rengkat. Ki he jang company Star Cement. Lembat ki paiba nong senong. Kuman kedau hangne ke senong bercernot ke bajangai kuma 100 kilometer na ke surok National Highway. Ha ilaka Narpu East Jentia Hills District. Kadai kasenong ka bom padon surok rong. Ka badaptang na kitliw gisar sudah hakipor ayam selap. Badap da ka kandau pumpum hakipor barang. Kajing bombiang ka surok ka bujing hadu kata-kata ay kipay ba anong senong hakakit ka ba barkamtam kabawan ka pang kasitom. Wala na kaliang kibor penyet senong kilaju persyang banwat kilat kelenti banyarap na kasurkar ban penyu surok hapo senong. Kijing persyang baro kisyusep bat kumta da kajingyo kene ka surok ka bajangai katsaus pa mitar kanyarap ikinong senong. Longru bana kaliang ka company kaladon jing temuru bancena ya ka surok hadu bana poy ya surok National Highway ka bajangai 100 kilometer. Lakmi lenti bakane ka jing temu kan sa urlong bat kan kampen suk syusyu ikipaj ba akalik awan berkakit kaba.
Please put your hands together while cutting the ribbon. Thank you. Now again I request all of you. Please. Okay. Thank you.
Dijimut yang ki le yang idak nim snem tong det ak da pau. Te di ole hai yo det pun snem da le yo sket I kat ku mi kwang I rekat ni snem realize kmat I khai kena yang I play iklang bam yul po iliur bam ni yel kit. Te kat no dap jing songu kam tam ya ga company Star Cement tu ada you snai I company ga markel tiu like konik yang you like naga ti develop the place sponsor ipi tam yo di sar so this good thing sirhat ya wara place good tani tena kede place good
Department of CSR. So congratulations for the road to all the villagers, because main beneficiaries are villagers who are suffering a lot due to non-availability of road. So, and Star Cement is, you all know, one of the leading company, and the management is very always there for the people, and they believe in work and grow together. So with that philosophy, that whatever project and where the large public are suffering, so they are always come ahead and then work for the benefit of the people. This road is approximately 1.4 kilometer is made, and the approach from the highway is also not good. People are suffering from that also, and we have requested to headmen are also requested to DMF to construct that road from highway to this point also. So we hope that soon already proposal is made by the PWD department. Yesterday I had a talk with the PWD department, Mr. Taryang at Claryhat. So he told the proposal is already submitted to DC. And I had a discussion with DC also, sir, people are suffering, please do it fast. So we hope in coming week you sanction that project also, and then public will from the highway also, it will be a good approachable and a good road. So hope for the best, slowly will progress and will work together, and all the best to the people of the area. Thank you.